Hi, this is my bike check. Well, first here we got some bars, an odd looking stem. Got two smashed frames welded together. Look at that. We've got a seat right here, odd seat clamp, one piece cranks.
For sure. Strong.
Cool looking sprocket. We got two pegs right here to get up. Got some tires.
Don't you do some ice pick grinds on there?
Yeah, doing some tail whips and bar spins.
Rocket manuals?
Yeah, that's pretty tight. Well, that's my bike check.
How often do you ride this?
I ride it every day, 24/7.
What's your favorite trick on it?
Oh, me? I kind of like 360s.
Yeah. Take it for a spin.
This thing's so awesome. I love my new bike.
Give us a thumbs up.